Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your phone with Google Authenticator installed, account access, and a secondary recovery method ready. Open the service's security settings and choose two-factor or two-step verification. Once selected, pick the option to use an authenticator app. You'll see a QR code or secret key. Make sure your phone has camera permission. Scanning is faster. If you cannot scan, copy the secret key exactly. Now move to the app to add a new account. You open Google Authenticator and tap to add an account. If you choose Scan a QR code, align the camera until the app recognizes it. This instantly pairs the secret. If you must enter a setup key, type the key exactly as shown and label the account so you know which service it is. Once added, the app creates a 6-digit code that refreshes periodically, usually every 30 seconds, so make sure you use the current code immediately when prompted by the service. You finish by entering the current 6-digit code from the app into the account's verification box. That confirms the link. Once verified, immediately save any provided backup codes or securely store the secret key so you can recover access if you lose your phone. Make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time because time drift will invalidate codes. If the code is rejected, resync the device time, retry scanning, or use a backup code to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.